So our patient has been found unconscious. Therefore, I will be performing CPR. First of all, you have to check for any sign of pulses. So you check under their armpit, on their pastern, as well as under their rear leg at their artery. If there are no pulses, you will perform 2 rescue breaths. These are done through the nose. Again, you will check the pulses. With no pulses still, now we will begin CPR. After 3 sets, we will again check the pulses. The dog is still not breathing, then you will continue CPR again.